Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a pizza, that is instant pizza, and in the microwave. So let's get started. It is a very simple recipe and took very less time to make, and for this you need some milk, some pizza pasta sauce, all purpose flour, mozzarella cheese, and some baking powder and some toppings. I have used onion and corn, you can use any of your choice, and some of the dried herbs. You also need some oil. I am using olive oil. So in a pan, means a bowl, take a fork to mix all the ingredients. So first of all, mix all the dry ingredients. So first of all purpose flour. Then take the all the then take salt, baking soda and baking powder, and with the help of fork mix it just well. So we are preparing the base first of all. So in this we have to mix, it is the 3 tablespoons of oil, the milk, sorry for that, and we will mix it now. Its consistency should be around batter, the usual batter. Just mix it well. Mix it well. Use little oil too. 1 tablespoon of oil. It will act as a combining factor of which so stir it well, and it should be the consistency of thickness, very thick. You have to clear the sides of it. Let's clear it. So I have cleared the sides of it. You can also do it with a silicone spatula, something like that. And if you don't have that, you can use a simple spoon for that purpose. Then take the pasta sauce and spread it evenly on this batter. Spread it well. You can mix it with the batter only. So you have mixed the pasta sauce, pizza pasta sauce, with the batter, and it will look something like that. So simply in this, take the mozzarella cheese and spread it evenly. Oops, be careful with that. So I have taken here the simple mozzarella cheddar cheese and has been equally grinded, and it is the powder of it that has been equally grinded all together. And spread it evenly. You have to spread it evenly so a nice layer of cheese is there present on it. So it looks something like that. A layer of cheese on it. And now you have to spread your toppings. It is of your choice, on choice, as it is your own pizza, which topping you have to use or not. I am here using the corns and some onion. I like this in my pizza, so I'm using it. Now I'm using some crushed oreganos and spread it evenly on it. Now just keep it in the microwave for around 1 minute or till it becomes thick and become your own pizza. So keep it in your microwave for 1 minute. 1 minute. It depends on your the voltage of your microwave. It will take around 45 seconds to around 1 minute 30 seconds, depending on the voltage of your microwave. Also, you have to check it that it doesn't overflow. So it has been done, and our pizza is also ready. So let's take it out. So it has been taken out from from the microwave, and it looks something amazing, stunning. The toppings, the cheese, the oreganos, and especially the base. It looks something amazing. You must try it. And if you like the recipe, please like, comment, or share the video. Please do not call. Thank you.